Good day everyone. So with our previous video lesson, we tackled the installation of Windows 10 operating system using bootable flash drive. So at this point, we are going to install Microsoft Office 365 in our computer units. So I am going to use my Office 365 account, and then we're going to download Office 365 apps. Okay, so the Microsoft Office 365 that has been downloaded a while ago is free from Microsoft, since all DepEd teachers were given MS 365 account. So let us now browse to the directory where Office Setup has been saved. So just click on the File Explorer, and then under the File Explorer, double-click Downloads. And then double-click Office Setup. And then under the User Account Control dialog box, it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click Yes. Okay, at this point, you're all set now. The Office apps are installed on your computer. Just click Close. And then to check if the Microsoft Office 365 is already installed on your computer, press the Windows logo key from your keyboard, and then scroll down. Then, as you can see, we already have Publisher, PowerPoint, Outlook, Excel, Access, and Microsoft Word. So let us open one of the Office 365 application. After opening Microsoft Word, you will see this dialog box. Hello, Norilyn. Welcome to Office. Sign in to activate Office with this account. I have this account, norilyn.torres at r3-1.deped.gov.ph. I just need to click Continue. And then click Next. And then of course, I need to input my password. And then click Sign In. Windows says, stay signed in to all your apps. Windows will remember your account and automatically sign you into your apps and websites on this device. This will reduce the number of times you are asked to log in. Just click OK. Hold on while we register this device with your company and apply policy. Microsoft says you're all set. We've added your account successfully. You now have access to your organization's apps and services. Just click Done. Okay, so as you can see, the Microsoft is getting Office ready for you. And then just click Accept for the license agreement. And then as you can see, the Microsoft Word is under my name, which is Norilyn Torres, and I have here my picture. So that's all. Thank you so much for listening.